Hello everyone, today I will be reviewing MelodySusie Nail Dust Collector. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. So this is the MelodySusie Nail Dust Collector box, and inside is the user manual, the adapter charger, and the nail dust collector. And this is what it looks like on top, and then on the side here is the on and off button, the strong suction and the low suction. And this one on top is called the magnetic cover, and it is detachable. And next is the reusable filter, and it is also detachable. And this one here is the fan. And this one here is the DC socket. And this is what the back looks like. It is made of a non-slip pad that is effectively to prevent the machine from sliding. It is also made of large cooling holes. The back is hollow design with a good heat dissipation performance and long lasting. So now I'm gonna try to remove my gel polish using my MelodySusie Artemis nail drill with the MelodySusie Nail Dust Collector. So first, make sure to turn the button on. So I'm gonna start with the low suction. So that is the sound of the low suction, guys. MelodySusie Powerful Nail Dust Collector offers a 100% efficient vacuum effect, preventing any kind of dust from scattering all over the place. This would ensure a dust-free working environment and no more breathing in fine particles that are bad for your health. It is easy to use, and it is designed with the induction touch buttons and magnetic cover. And it also comes with adjustable suction, low and strong suction. The fan speed and suction can be adjusted based on your preference. It also neat and portable, compact and easy to install and remove. It is ideal for both professionals in salons and beginners at home. It is also easy to operate. It is equipped with a touch control operation panel, easy to set up any operation with just a touch. So why do we need nail dust collector? It is very important that we have it, especially when we do nails. So here are the 4 benefits of using a nail dust collector. First is to avoid respiratory disease and improve health. It is estimated that a cosmetician inhales around 4 kilograms of harmful dust yearly, which is 32% of them might result in diseases of respiratory system. Second is to keep a dust-free workstation. All dust produced during the manicure would go directly into the nail dust collector, which means no more cleaning up annoying dust that ends up in every corner of your workstation. Third is to increase productivity and save your time. With nail dust collector as your super assistant, you can just focus on your nail work and don't have to waste time cleaning the workstation. And for salon owners, you can serve more clients. Fourth is it ensures a happier life. We all know that better working environment and high efficiency would just make life easier and happier. So far I don't see any dust outside the nail dust collector, which is really nice. So I really love this product because it really works out really good. I would recommend it to all the nail salons and to all the people that is a nail beginners, because it does make our work faster, easier, and it also have a healthy effect to our health. For me, MelodySusie offers the best nail technology. It is proven effective and safe. And that's it guys, I'm done cleaning my nails using the nail drill and the nail dust collector. So you just brush off the rest of the dust into the nail dust collector. And now I'm gonna check if I got any dust on my desk, and I don't see any dust guys, so that is really nice. So let's open it up. Here is the magnetic cover, and this one is the filter, so all goes to the filter. And look at inside the fan, there is no dust at all, so everything goes to the filter, which is really nice, and it's a good quality guys. So make sure to check the link below on my description box so you guys know where I get these products, and don't forget to use my code ROSE12 to get 12% discount when you shop at MelodySusie official website. So how to clean the nail dust collector? You can take the filter out and then put it on top of the tissue and then lightly tap the filter slowly. And then you can also clean it with a hair dryer or take the filter out to shake the dust out. Don't wash it with water, but if you have to do that, please make sure to blow dry it after you wash it. And then you can replace the filter per 3 to 4 months. MelodySusie, they sell filters guys, so you can just order it from them. And that's it everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.